everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing to share with you, and I have got August single swag box. This is what it looks like. This is how it arrives in the post. It's got my details on the back there. So if you're new to single swag, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this August box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. Single swag is a US-based monthly subscription box that ships worldwide. They believe that a woman's happiness is determined by her outlook and attitude and not by her relationship status. They wanted to create a subscription box that was fun and stylish for all the amazing single women out there. Now you might be wondering, but you're not single, Claire. You know, I'm married and I've got kids, but I just like the contents. I have been following this box for quite a while. I have been impressed with the contents, although not so much last month. Last month was a bit of a fail for me, but I've had a sneak peek in this month and it's a lot better, thankfully. So the cost of the box is $39.99 and it's free shipping within the US, and then shipping to the UK is between $6.99 and $9.99. Now the reason I don't really know is because the pricing keeps on changing, so that could obviously be to do with currency, but for my first box I used a refer a friend code and I had a $15 discount, which works out to be about 40% off discount, which is great. And then for this box then it was normal price and I paid, it was around £37, and that includes shipping. If you're interested in a single swag for yourself, I myself have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to around it's $15, so it works out to be around 40% off your first box. I'll pop that down below in my description, as well as all links and everything to this subscription box. I'll pop down there, so underneath this video see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description and it'll all be down there. All items are full size, and in each box you receive between 7 to 8 products a month. They also do a single swag petite box as well, which is a little mini version, and that will cost you $24.99, and in that you'll receive 4 to 5 products a month. Now, as always, receiving a box from the US, I was concerned about customs, but both times now I haven't had any issues at all. There is customs information on the back here, but no custom charges, which is amazing. They also have an online shop, and you can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel anytime, as long as requests to cancel are received before the 15th of the month. And they also offer a 3 and 6 month subscription as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes, so let's get on to showing you what I received this month. Now inside there's a card and it tells you everything about the products, and it also gives you the costs, and the value of this month's box is $201. I'll talk to you a little bit about in a little while, but I just wanted to give you a sneak peek. Now you might notice that something's been opened. Yeah, I couldn't resist. I could not resist, and it was blimmin' gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It's Belgian Boys Dutch Caramel Stroopwafel. It is the best stroopwafel I've ever tasted, besides actually having a freshly made one in Amsterdam, of course, but packets like this, it just tastes amazing. There's only one inside, but if I can find any here, I am definitely going to buy some. Oh, it's just so tasty. I wasn't going to open up the box because normally I like a surprise, but recently I find myself opening it beforehand. Anyway, so yeah, so that is gone. I'll tell you a little bit about it in a minute. And that's the rest of my products anyway. So I'll go through them one by one, telling you all about them. For this month it says, the way you treat yourself sets the standards for others. Relax, smile and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. Shop our new market online, Single Swag the shop. Everything is 50% off retail value. So going back to the stroopwafel then, the gorgeous stroopwafel that I can't show you because it's gone. To buy it, it will cost you $4, and it says, indulge in this authentic Belgian waffle made of 100% fresh dough. Enjoy it straight out the bag or warm it up and top it with a scoop of ice cream or gelato. Didn't even have a chance for that. I just got it out and ate it straight away. Gutsy. I am really gutsy. Even though I've had a look in this box and I've eaten something in this box, I haven't had a proper look, so I don't really know what things are. But I think these are, what, bath bombs or something? We've got a set of 4 there. And this is by the brand Chloe Emerald, and it says Beauty Bar. So we've got Refreshing Strawberry, we've got Cooling Mint, we've got Soothing Lavender and Energizing Citrus. They all sound absolutely amazing to me. Oh my gosh, look at them. Are they little soaps? I got a thing for soaps. I got a thing for soaps. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Yes, it is. It's a 4-piece beauty bar soap set. To buy this, it'll cost you $22. Good quality soap is one of life's simple but important luxuries. I've got some little mini soaps there. Next, we've got some jewellery. Now, do you remember my reaction to the jewellery last month? If you watched my video, that is. I didn't like it at all. I just thought it was really awful. I was gutted, absolutely gutted. But this one, I've had a sneak peek of this online and it's silver. I tend to wear silver. I don't mind wearing gold as long as it's like a more of a rose gold or a very, very pale gold. I don't like any yellowy gold, you know, and last month's it was like a yellowy gold and tassels, big tassels, which I didn't like. But no, I like the packaging of this. Oh, that's quite nice. That is quite nice. A really nice fine. I don't like the earrings, but I like the necklace there. I'm just looking at the chain. It's all a bit, I'll show you now, hold on. So what is the brand? I completely forgot. Amelia Rue. So we've got some earrings there. They are not to my taste, so I wouldn't wear those. And then we've got a little amethyst drop pendant there on a silver chain. Can you see what I mean? By the chain looks as if it's like stiff. Oh no, it's come apart. It's fine now. It's just me then. And then you've got it there then. So I'm not sure how long it is. But yeah, I think that's nice. I think I would actually wear that, but not the earrings. Amelia Rue pear-shaped natural amethyst costs $62. Add style and elegance to your collection with a chic pear-shaped natural amethyst stone necklace and earring set finished in sterling silver. The necklace measures 17 inches long with a 3-inch extender. Okay, let's see. Let me open it up. There's something about these. They're not the same. Maybe I just need to push them, bend them in, because the metal there is very, very fine. But no, I do like that. Yeah, so we got a necklace and earring set. Next I got a product by Sienna. This is a purifying charcoal mask, and this is cruelty free. I haven't tried this brand before. It says thoroughly cleanse skin prior to application, clean skin to help the mask penetrate the pores. Allow 15 minutes to dry, then rinse with warm water and moisturise. Yeah, purifying charcoal mask. I don't like the charcoal ones, you know, that you peel off. Will never, ever, ever go near those. But the ones that you apply to your face and wash off, like with a dampened cloth or something, then yeah, I do really like those. To purchase this mask, it will cost you $34. This mineral-rich purifying mask works to gently exfoliate, remove impurities and soothe tired skin. The formula is designed to enhance overall skin condition whilst improving elasticity, thoroughly clean skin, and then blah blah blah. It just goes on to telling you what I just read. It sounds a nice charcoal mask. So is that. Next I got a product by Molly Jacob, and this is a dazzling illuminator. Again, I haven't tried this brand before. It says here, apply illuminator directly after you apply foundation and before blush. This will give you a dazzling glow. For a subtle look, apply the illuminator below your foundation. Not for me, not for me. It's like a pearly colour, so it goes into pink, into coral. It's super shiny. No, not for me. There's no way I'd put that all over my skin underneath my makeup. It is pretty, but I just don't use those shades on my skin. So the cost of this illuminator is $26. Use code AUGUSTSWAG for 50% off any order at mollyjacob.com during August. And then it just goes on to telling you what I read off the back there. So we got that. Then I've got a product that I have received before, and this is Daily Concepts, and this is your facial mini scrubber with smart technology. This is a travel size makeup remover and exfoliating face scrubber for all skin types, and it says it's gentle down there as well. The smart technology is referring to the label. So the label in this, it starts to fade when you need to get a new one. When this is getting a bit too old and you need to chuck it out and you need to get a new one. Although saying that, there is no label on this one. There is no label on this one. It says the label is sewn into the product, but it is not. This is a little mini one, so no, we haven't got it. So this daily facial scrubber with smart technology with no smart technology. It hasn't got a label, unless I'm missing something. If I'm missing something, let me know, because I can't see it. It would cost you $11. Face it, you're beautiful. When this inspirational message fades, you know it's time to replace this makeup remover and exfoliating face scrubber with a special pocket slide for your fingers for extra control. There is no writing on that at all. No. Got face scrubber. Then we've got a headband. This is by the charity Headbands of Hope, and it says, for every headband sold, a headband is given to a child with cancer. And it's got lots and lots of different ways on how to wear your headband. You can see there, which I think is wonderful. Really, really lovely. So it's a headband like this. So it's long and rectangle. You can wear it, I can't now because I've got lots of makeup on and my hair's up, and guaranteed if I was to put this on, everything will just smear across my face and my hair will come out. I would wear this over my face, maybe as a face cover if I needed to, or lifting it up over my head, especially in the garden, hair off my face and things. No, I think that is lovely. I think it's really, really nice and a really lovely product to put in a subscription box. So this head turban will cost you $24, and it says the seamless versatile headband is made from 100% polyester, is soft, comfortable, and can be worn in a variety of ways, including as a face covering. Best of all, for every headband, including yours, a headband is donated to a child with cancer, as I just read. So there's that. And lastly, we've got a book. I love getting books, absolutely love getting books. And this is not a big, thick, hefty book either, so it's a nice, easy reading book. I hope so anyway. This is by Jess Ekstrom, if I said that right, Jess Ekstrom, founder of Headbands of Hope. Okay, chasing the bright side, embrace optimism, activate your purpose, and write your own story. This book inspires readers to embrace optimism in your life and reimagine your purpose to create good in the world right where you are. And to purchase this, it will cost you $18. Jess Ekstrom shows how optimism helped her overcome multiple challenges and the dynamic ways her mindset propelled her as a young entrepreneur, international speaker, and philanthropist. So it's a self-awareness, self-motivation book. So we got a book, Chasing the Bright Side. So those are all the items inside this month's box. I'm going to gather them all up and I'll be back. So these are all the items inside Single Swag's August box. 8 items in total, and the cost of the box is $39.99, which works out to be around 27 UK pounds. And then there's free shipping in the US, and there's extra shipping on top to ship to the rest of the world. Now, last month's box I wasn't that impressed with. It was a bit of a flop for me. My first ever Single Swag, and I was like, not really for me. I didn't really like the items that much. I can't even remember what was in there altogether. Just that necklace set just like stays in my mind. I much prefer this month's box. Definitely much prefer it. As far as the cost is concerned, no. I think for full price, which I paid for this month, I don't think it's worth it for me. But what I have found out, thanks to one of you lovely lot who messaged me, that if you unsubscribe from Single Swag, you decide to have a break, and then you want to sign up again. Say, for instance, you see a spoiler and you think, oh, that next month is fantastic, I really want it. Then you are able to use a discount code again, because most subscription boxes, once you've taken out an account, that's it. You can't get, if you unsubscribe and then subscribe, etc., you can't have another discount code, but you can with this. And I've had a look at a sneak peek for this box for next month, and even though I've cancelled this subscription, I don't know, I'm umming and ahhing. I think through the discount and going on Honey, which is a discount finder online, I'm able to get this box, including shipping, for $30. Which is good. So I'm umming and ahhing whether to go for the September box or not, but yeah, we'll see anyway. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Single Swag? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.